And what's up, everybody? Maik Wiedenbach here. How to stay motivated. So like the cold ones are upon us, blah, 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 blah. How do you stay motivated? Here's the kicker. You don't. What? What do you mean? Forget all the motivational bullshit on Instagram and all the quotes and all the beast mode and you gotta do this. Nobody is always motivated. I don't care who you are. Even Michael Phelps has days where he's like, hey, swimming sucks, right? So the way to get to the other end is by forming habits, okay? So not every workout is gonna be great, not everything is outstanding, not every meal is perfect, but if you get the majority of things right and you try to win the day, meaning get your workout, get the food as good as can be, then that's all you need. And all the other stuff, like be the lion. I mean, like, how old are these people? 12? Like, are the motivation? Nobody is always motivated, okay? So forget all that stuff. Don't feel bad if you're not super pumped to work out every day, because I sure as hell am not. I came here this morning, it was cold, it was rainy, it was just me. I didn't want to do legs. Of course not. Nobody does, right? But I do it because it's like brushing my teeth. It's part of like putting on my socks. It's part of a habit. That's what I do. And all these habits are gonna form, hopefully, a better version of me, you know, come spring or so. But don't beat yourself up if you're not feeling like super pumped and energetic all the time for the workout, because nobody is, okay? Habits beat motivation any given time of the day. Maik out.